Unlock the secrets to turning your clutter into cash. Discover how to sell on Facebook Marketplace like a pro and watch your profits soar. Whether you are clearing out your garage or launching a side hustle. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you how to sell on Facebook Marketplace. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into facebook.com. You can also upload the application, then you sign up and you get started with Facebook Marketplace. So the first step, you have just to click over here and you choose Marketplace. So selling on Facebook Marketplace is a game changer for anyone looking to declutter or start a side hustle. In this video, we'll delve into the ultimate tips for creating a catching listings, setting competitive prices, and maximizing your reach. From choosing the right keywords to mastering negotiation tactics, we will cover everything you need to know to sell successfully. So stick around until the end for exclusive insights that could skyrocket your sales. So you have just to click over create new listings. We have also here notifications, inbox, buy-in, selling, as you can see. And we have your location, and in categories we have vehicles and other things. So sell on Facebook Marketplace offers numerous benefits, including access to a vast audience of local buyers, making it easier to sell items quickly. The platform allows for seamless communication, enabling direct interactions with potential customers. Additionally, it's user-friendly and free to use, eliminating the need for listing fees found on our marketplace, with tools to create appealing listings and options for sharing within local groups. Sellers can maximize visibility and increase their chances of successful sales, all while fostering a sense of community. So if we come back, we have just to click over create new listing. We have three choices here. The first one, item for sale. Create a single listing for one or more items to sell. Then we have vehicle for sale. Sell a car, van, or other type of vehicle. We have a property for sale or rent. List a house or flat for sale or rent. I will select the first one. Then we have your listing preview. As you create your listing, you can preview how it will appear to others marketplace. Then we have here, you can just first add up to 10 photos. You can just add it. Have your downloads here. Then I will select these three products. Then I will click over open. So this is my products. So we have here the first one, as you can see. So this is shoes basketball, by the way. So the first step, you have to describe as possible your product. For example, I will write title basketball, or I will just write shoes basketball. For hoopers. Then I will select the price here, $50. Also category here. We have here antiques and collectibles, arts and crafts, vehicle parts and accessories, baby products, bags and luggage, books, films and music. You have mobile phones and accessories, clothing, shoes and accessories, electronic, also furniture, health and beauty, home and kitchen, jewelry and watches, and various niches, as you can see. So I will select here, what is it? We have clothing, what is it? We have it here. Here we have it. We have baby clothing and shoes, children's clothing and shoes, men's accessory, men's clothing, men's shoes. We have, so this, by the way, this shoes, it's for women and also for men's. So I will select men or women. So I'll select, for example, women here. Women's shoes. What is it? We have men's shoes, women's handbag, and women's shoes. Then we have athletic shoes, boots, flats, heels, sandals, slippers, fashion trainers, and other women's shoes. So I'll select the first one. Then we have here condition also, new used like new, so I select the second one. Then we have also more details here, attract more interest by including more details. The first one, post listing after it's been published. Add a step to post your listing after it's published to help you reach more potential buyers by turning it into an ad. We have here hide from friends. This listing is still public but will be hidden from your friends on Facebook and Messenger in most cases. Then we have here woman shoes size, select 4. Then we have brand here, Nike. Then we have activity, basketball, athleisure, dance, hiking, pilates, running. I will select basketball of course. Then the color, red and the black. And about description, new shoes, basketball for hoopers. Then I will select the type of the shoes, Kyrie Irving, Infinity, or you can just write 8. Then you scroll down, you select the availability, let's as in go HM or as a stock. So I'll select a stock because I have 3. Then we have product tags here, for example, something like that. Then we have SQ also, and location, and we have also here meetup preferences. Buyers will be able to see your preferences on your listing. We have your public meetup, meet in a public location, and we have here some information also. Then we have drop pick up, to drop off. We have the last step. Marketplace items are public and can be seen by anyone on or off Facebook. Items such as animals, drugs, weapons, counterfeits, and other items that infringe intellectual property are not allowed on Marketplace. See our commerce policies, then you click on next and you publish. You can just verify this information if it's correct, then you get started and you share that with your friends, or you can just post it and people, if they search about basketball shoes, you'll find someone who can buy it. So selling on Facebook Marketplace presents a unique opportunities to reach a broad audience while enjoying a straightforward and cost-effective selling experience. By leveraging its features and engaging with local buyers, you can turn unwanted items into cash and potentially grow a driven side business. Embrace the platform's potential and watch your sales flourish. So this is how it works with selling on Facebook Marketplace. You can just get started as soon as possible. And this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.